This is AirMars, projects by Hadley Davis and Abby Sue Green. Why we picked this project. We picked this project because we felt that the most important aspect of survival would be oxygen, because you cannot go without oxygen for a maximum of 4 to 20 minutes without causing serious brain damage or possibly death. The challenges we needed to overcome. Some challenges that we needed to overcome in order to complete this project was to figure out the temperature on Mars and what materials would be able to withstand the extreme temperature on Mars without getting brittle or cracking and breaking, and how thick the material would need to be, 4 inches. We also needed to figure out approximately how many plants we would need to generate enough oxygen to keep all the people on AirMars alive. It was at least 1,500 of the Twisted Sister plants. But since the seeds are essentially weightless, it wouldn't be a problem to get them up to Mars. Our hypothesis. We think that the plants will absorb the carbon dioxide and absorb it and then spit out oxygen, and the tubes will suck up the oxygen and spread it into the homes, so all the houses will have the same amount of oxygen in them. Our goal. Our goal is to create a greenhouse that is connected by tunnels to many houses to create a possible colony on Mars. This greenhouse will create more than enough oxygen for 110 people. Some grown plants could have food. The parts of STEAM. Science was creating oxygen from carbon dioxide. Technology, getting an airflow to get all the oxygen to the cubicles. Engineering, designing the homes in the giant glass dome. Arts, gardening. Math, calculating how many plants we will need. How we solved it. We researched what materials could survive on Mars and what plants would produce the most oxygen. We tried to get a better understanding of photosynthesis and how plants turn carbon dioxide into oxygen. We knew that we could use plants to make oxygen because 96% of Mars' atmosphere is made up of carbon dioxide. We settled with Twisted Sisters because they are on the list of the plants that produce the most oxygen. How we plan to design AirMars. We plan to design AirMars in the form of a snowflake. The huge glass greenhouse will be in the center of the colony. The greenhouse will have fun-sized tunnels filled with oxygen as they walk away as a walkway, so they don't have to suit up in gear to walk from room to room. The tunnels are connected to rooms which there is where people will sleep, and there is a laboratory. And that is AirMars. And this is my project. We created a 3D model of the glass dome, and each of the black squares represents houses.